tap soft on my window tonight, each drop a whisper of your fading light. I reach for shadows, but they slip through my hand. Echoes linger, your voice still stays in the quiet of these endless days. Don't go, my heart is still with you. The stars don't shine the way they used to. I'll keep the